Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Another Saturday, another shave, and as you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today. Brush we're going to be using, that's the PAA Starwisp. Lovely colour, goes in with today's theme. We'll get that soaking in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. The Soap&Splash I'm going to be using is a set by this guy called Daisho. I can't really give you much information on it because I went looking for a website and I think it may have closed down, but this was an artisan. I think he was coming out of Spain, heavily influenced by Japan and all things Japanese, and he made these Daisho, and he made just about 100 sets a year of various different scents, and I managed to snag this and another one which I'll use in a later video. That's what we're going to be using today. There's the pour, a lovely floral cherry violet scent, absolutely wonderful. Look forward to using that. But the star of today's shave, here it is. I've taken it out of the box and I put it on these. In the UK these are £13 on Amazon. I wanted to have that razor, something nice. Here it is. Are you ready? You may have seen it, you may not. There it is. That's the Tatara MASAMUNE. Now, I bought this and then I wanted an Adachi. So what I did was I went on Tatara's website and the parts for the two razors are interchangeable. So I got that, which is an Adachi base plate. Absolutely love this razor, guys. Let's see if you can see it on there. Can you see it? The little man there and then that there. I'll try and get it so that the light catches it. That says Adachi. But we're not having an Adachi shave today. We're going to put this plate in it. There you go. Can you see the man's there again? But this time that says MASAMUNE. There, so that's what we're going to do. And we're going to put a Nacet blade in it. Do you see a colour thing going on with the cherries and the pinks and the... So there you go. So let's get this blade out. I've used these blades not that many times before, but they are nice blades. Can you see it there? So let Nacet, check this out, guys. We'll put that in there. Put that. I like this, look. And can you see the matching slots on there? Looks, it's like a T for Tatara. Little details like that just make it absolutely wonderful. And watch this. You see the little recess all the way around it? There's like a little recess. And if you look at the top of that, I'll show you how I want to show you so you can see. Look how that goes in. Look at that. And then you nip it shut. Absolutely seamless. It's like it's all one piece. Absolutely wonderful. We're going to put that in the soaker. Before we go any further, I went on Tatara's website and I'll just read you what it says. The MASAMUNE razor was the first Tatara shaving product to be produced. It's been fashioned with the look of a classic safety razor, but with unique lines of the future. Well, that's true. And due to its minimalist design, it's able to transmit our view, supported by purity, elegance and simplicity. It's absolutely wonderful. The MASAMUNE razor is smooth, efficient razor. This is due to its small blade gap, negative blade exposure. The closed comb plate, I haven't got the closed comb, and maybe I should have got that one. The closed comb plate is our smoothest option and the most popular. It's designed with small grooves along the edges of the plate to give less blade exposure to the skin. Go and check that out, guys. That's a nice website. So, without further ado, we'll wet the face and we'll crack on and we'll enjoy this razor. Oh, so how is everyone doing? My barber's was shut, it was closed. I'm gonna go Wednesday and get a haircut. Well, maybe not Wednesday. Let's go Tuesday, hey? Right, there you go. I already know that this soap is going to perform really well. I've used it. I've used it once, maybe twice before. Absolutely beautiful soap. So we'll load on the brush and we'll lather on the face. Oh. So how are you all? How's everybody doing? Please let me know what your shave is. Let me know in the comments below if you've used a Tatara razor. Let me know what you think. It's a beautiful, beautiful razor. I'm looking forward to today's shave with it. Have I already said? Let me know what your shave of the day is, and let me know what your other SOTD is. What we have on this channel is your slurp of the day. I'll be having a glass of red wine, a nice glass of Shiraz later on, some jam shed, that'll be me. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Can't argue with those results, can you? Absolutely wonderful. And it smells like cherry violet. It does, it's a wonderful one. Here we go. Look at that handle. I like that handle. I really, really do like that. And then can you see? You can see the blade gap. Absolutely marvellous. In terms of engineering, this is like the, what's it called now? The executive shaving razor, which is superbly engineered too. And so is this. Here we go. You'll see it as I see it. 3 days growth. Last shaved for the camera. Was it 3 days ago? Okay, here we go. Look at that. Absolutely, absolutely wonderful. This razor and that combination of blade. Look at that, guys. 3 days. Absolutely wonderful. Oh. So yeah, please let me know how have you all been doing. It's been pretty uneventful. We've been very busy in work, but I have finished now. I've got a couple of weeks off, so I'm looking forward to that. Looking forward to having a rest. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful, guys. It is very, very well engineered. This, look how slim that head is. Get right up under the nose. This is heirloom quality, guys. This is heirloom quality. And that's the first pass done. Look at that. Absolute wonderful. A wonderful, wonderful. See, I've used this soap before, and I've used this razor before, but I don't think any of you are going to be able to get the soap. So I'm going to try and make the star of this show the razor and that blade combination. Absolutely wonderful. I had the matching balm. He doesn't make the balm, but I bought a Japanese cherry balm for this soap, and I was talking with somebody who really, really wanted a cherry balm, couldn't get one anywhere, so I sent it to them. I gifted it, I paid it forward to them. There you go, here we go. Now, some people have said, oh, you only need 2 passes, and some people have said, oh, you should shave a specific way and make sure you always go with the grain, and then always make sure you can do beard mapping. I'll be honest with you guys, I've done all that, and I have to be honest, the one size fits all of down, across and then against gives me the best results and seems to manage. That was the postman and he brought a box. Okay. Yeah, where are we at? We're going across, yeah. Yeah, what I was saying is, for me personally, I have found that the 3-pass system gives me consistently the best overall shave, you know? Seems to manage to catch everything. The soap performing well. Let's add a bit more water to it and see what happens. Look at that. It's very, very densely compacted in that bowl. But look at this. It did okay, didn't it? It did okay. I mean, if you look at that now, look, I was pressing quite hard on there. It is quite densely packed in there, so I didn't get that much on the brush, I think, but it's a wonderful, wonderful soap. Here we go. This razor, guys, it's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. I mean, my beard is like iron filings, and this is ploughed through it. But I actually think if I was a daily shaver, and I'm not, I never have been, but if I was a daily shaver, you can't beat that. That would be an exceptional daily shaver. It really is very, very smooth, very, very forgiving, very well engineered. Sorry, I got out of the shower. I don't normally have a shower before I shave, because I like to have a shower after I've shaved. I like the feel of hot shower water running down my freshly shaved face. But I had some things on this morning and some things to do, and it was just more economic, time-wise, to have a shower before the shave. But look at that, you get right up. It's just a pleasure to use, guys. It's an absolute pleasure to use. There you go. Wonderful. And that soap is very, very slick. So here we go. Lather mittens, right? Look at this. Look at this. Wonderful. Just the usual suspects. They're trouble areas for me. Anyway, wow. Then I have to dry my hands because that soap is very, very slick. It is. Very slick indeed. Here we go. We'll get some pickups. Usual trouble spots that I get with every razor. Wonderful. And that's us, guys. That is our shave. A Saturday morning. A Saturday morning flyer from Captain Comeover. Oh. It's cloudy out there, but it's very, very warm, very humid. I mean, Rusty Razor says you can almost, there's fish in the air is that wet. Let's do the leaning. Look at that, guys. Hey, it did okay, didn't it? That is as smooth as a baby's bum. And we're going to finish off with the Daisho. Absolutely, look at that. Look at that bottle. We're having a good shave today, guys. we're having a good shave. Wonderful. See, not a nick, not a sting. Oh, that smells like cherries and honey and flowers. Oh, absolutely wonderful. And we'll balm up with this Yardley English Rose Scented Balm. Goes very well with it. The £1 on Amazon, guys. £1 on Amazon. And Yardley gets knocked, but believe me, Yardley aftershave for men and the balm is pretty decent quality stuff. There you go. And that is our shave. What did you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Good and bad. These big broad shoulders can take it. Look after yourselves, everybody. And remember, be kind. Say it to yourself right now. Say, this weekend, I am going to be kind, even to people that aren't kind to me. And then we shall stand out in the community as the way to be. Look after yourselves, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. And I will see you all on Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. See, I'm biting my lip, because if you've got to this stage, right, I'll let you know I'm biting my lip, but you really do not want to miss Wednesday shave. Bye.